FCT Minister Wike, come and comment. He go, your call. As it is sweeting you, it is paining ha. Mr. President, it's your turn. No, Atiku don't talk. Let the KPEKUS breathe. Don't suffocate it. Disobedience, we don't get respect. They will come begin say, Peter Obi, you must talk, oh, you must talk. In Bangladesh, that money is what is used to employ 6,000 people to make machines.
The video you're about to watch is going to blow your mind. Watch and enjoy.
Hilda Bassi do Guinness record of cooking. Instead of them to allow the girl, the certificate never even reach. Everybody won't come do their own Guinness. That kitty girl come and I want to cook. Begin cook beans and pomo and dry pepper. Say she dey do some. The one way verse me now that you see that other girl where say she want to do the longest massage in the history. We come faint while she was massaging. The girl where they massage the massage no be my problem. Now the fool where they receive the massage. Person they massage at the faint, she see they stretch that the other leg. How ungrateful can some people be? But when I don't find out, Abuja is in the map. But then, I don't look at. Say this country, if you not do anything for Lagos or Abuja, Nigeria not go no. Say Hilda, like say Hilda do that thing for Uyo, nobody for no. But she do it for Lagos, national attention. Do you know that there is a boy in Ife who actually do Guinness business of the longest sex in the world? Go and Google it now. The boy there Ife. But nobody know because Ife just dey remote like that. I can't just think. If now the boy come, I know the energy don't drop by now. But if now the boy come say he won't start that in what do you call it? Guinness record of the longest wiping. Let's say he can't start for Unity Fountain here. Can't start day inside showcase. Everybody go to tweet. Maybe let's say the boy name now Omolafe wiping. Hashtag Omolafe wiping. The next thing, they go down the people, the influencers, they talk. Some of all these internet children don't get respect, will just find trouble. If this was during election now, politicians would have come to associate with Omolafe. Now they have used us and dumped us. Bad politicians. Hashtag Omolafe wiping. Politicians no one hear that story. They go jump immediately. Sanwo-Olu go hear him from Lagos. Say, he's even from Lagos living in Ife. He don't go, he go point him. You are a good boy. This is the power of Lagos. He go shift. The next thing, Senate President Akpabio go come. But what this boy is doing is an uncommon wipery. And I can tell you the person that is wiping is an Akwa Ibom girl, because only an Akwa Ibom girl can collect 16 hours of wiping. A guy there, man, right? He go say, it's true. They go collect. The next thing, they go say, FCT Minister Wike, come and comment. He go, your call. Omolafe, you that is wiping. I don't know this wiping that you're wiping, but as you are wiping her, as it is sweeting you, it is paining her. But I hope that while you're wiping that wiping, you're not on the Abuja master plan because it's going down. Then, when it don't finish, they'll come say, Atiku go Yaram. Say, Excellency, you need to comment on this. Atiku go Facebook all the way from Dubai. You go come post. And I office without another. You go come post. Let me congratulate Omolafe on this his long wiping. This is indeed a true test of resilience. In fact, he has challenged me. I heard he has gone 14 hours non-stop. That means I can also continue to contest this president for the next 14 elections, inshallah. Then the next will come say, Mr. President, it's your turn. No, Atiku don't talk. You need to talk. Go come on. Let me. First of all, congratulate Omolafe on his extraordinary ability in wiping the girl. But Omolafe, after 16 hours, let the KPEKUS breathe. Don't suffocate it. It is your responsibility to keep it fresh. He go come shift. Then this obedience, we no get respect. They will come begin say, Peter Obi, you must talk, oh, you must talk. We no can say they win you for court, you must talk, oh. He go come. Let me congratulate my younger brother. You know, so everybody in a family member. See that you're older or younger than him. Nobody be meet. My younger brother, Omolafe, on this extraordinary wiping, for now I hear he has gone 27 hours. This is what we are talking about. From consumption to production. What has stood out for me is that in that 27 hours of wiping, Omolafe has used one condom. An economic wiping. Because some of you do 5 to 10 minutes on the average. So if you go by the 27 hours, you are actually using about 16 condoms per day. Meaning that in a week, you will be using about 80, which brings us to about 3,498 naira 42 kobo. Meaning that in a month, you are now spending 14,906 naira 22 kobo. Meaning that in 1 year, you will now be spending 159,809 naira for condom. Now, in Bangladesh, that money is what is used to employ 6,000 people to make bedsheets. Meaning that instead Omolafe is just wiping or you're using condom wiping, all you're doing is just bedsheet. If you think I'm lying, go on. Good night, ladies and gentlemen, I'm out of here.
Thank you very much, Honorable John.
I told you guys that you will enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. We have a lot of funny videos that you will always watch and enjoy.